Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1106 maximum binary tree. This problem has been asked in past Microsoft interviews, as you can see here. So let's just go quickly through the description. Given an integer array with no duplicates, a maximum tree building on this array is defined as follow. The root is the maximum number in the array. The left subtree is the maximum tree constructed from left part subarray divided by the maximum number. The right subtree is the maximum tree constructed from right part subarray divided by the maximum number. Construct the maximum tree by given array and return the root node of this tree. Array range will be from 1 to 1000, right? So this is what the problem says, and they have given us one example here how to create a maximum binary tree. So let's take this example over here so we can discuss it more. So this is the Microsoft problem. So this is the input array that is given to us, right? So as you can see, how we can form a maximum tree is we have to first find out the maximum number here, right? So the maximum number you can find is 6, right? Then you have to split the array like this, and you will make the 6 as your root node, right? And then you will split the array. So this is left array 3 to 1 and right array is 0 5. Again, in the left array you have to find out the maximum one. So maximum will be 3 now, right? For the left array, so 3 will become this subtree's root basically, right? This is the subtree for 6. So 3, and then again you will find here 2, which is the remaining array, right? 2, and it will become the right side of this one, right? After 3, and then the remaining one will become again right of the 2, right? Like this basically. And then for 0 5 you can again find out maximum, which will be 5. It will become right of 6, so you just put 5 here, and the remaining is just 0, so 0 becomes 5 left of 5, right? Left of 5. So this is how you can construct the maximum binary tree. So what we can do is basically we have to always find out the maximum in the array, and then we have to put it as the root, and then we have to again divide the array in two, right? So what we will be doing is we will be recursively building this maximum binary tree, right? So let me show how we can do it here quickly. So this is our main method. So nums array is given to us, so we will just call do max binary array, and this will do the whole task for us, right? So as you can see, the tree node is given to us as the class which has a value here, val, and left and right, right? For tree node. So first we will just say that if start, like what we will do is we will pass the nums array, we will pass the start index here as 0, and end index will be length of the array -1, right? So basically in this case you can say start is 0 and the end will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 basically, right? So that's what it will do, right? The and then we will just first check if start is greater than end, we will return null, right? Because start cannot be greater than end. In that case we have to just return null. Otherwise we will just create one variable, index is 0, and max we will just put a integer's mean value, right? Now first thing we have to do in this method is we have to find out the maximum in this nums array. So we will be iterating through the nums array start to end, and we will keep track, like we will keep track of the maximum, whatever maximum we find, and we will keep track of the index where we are finding the maximum here, right? Okay, so now we found the maximum element in the array. For example, let's just take this array 3 2 1 6 0 5, right? And we find the maximum here. So maximum element is 0 1 2 3. 3 is the index, right? So that's what it is basically. So after that we will just create a tree node from this maximum element, like 6 basically, right? Like this 6 we have created, this 6 from this maximum element, and then we will recursively call our do max binary tree method by passing the same nums array. The start will be same for the left array, right, and end will be index minus 1. For example, in this case start will be 0 here, right, and index will be n minus 1 means 2. Basically what we are doing is we are passing this array now for the next call, right, the left array, and on the right side we will be calling this right array, right. So I'll show you that. And then on the right side we will be calling index plus 1 to end, right, means this part that I showed you here, 0 to 5. And whatever we get from this, whatever node we get as a return node from this function, we will just say root dot left for the left part here and root dot right for the right part here, and at the end we will be just returning the root, basically, right. So this will recursively call this function. So first it will call on this left side on 3, then it will call again like this whole like the 3, then it will call on 2, then from 2 it will call on 1, then this 1 will be formed, it will be attached to 2, then 2 will be this 2 1 will be formed and it will be attached to 3, basically, and this whole thing will be attached to the right side of 6. So this is how the recursion works, right. So this is how we can solve the maximum binary tree problem, which is one of the past Microsoft problem in their interviews. So make sure you understand the recursion and try it out. So I will just do a quick summary of what we did. Is we actually dividing the array on the left side and on the right side. First we will find maximum, and then we get the left side array and we get the right side array, and then we will again pass the left side array, right side array. We will update the start and end, right. So we will always update the start here. For the left side we will update end is index minus 1, and for the right side we will update start as index plus 1, right. So and then we will just assign the return value to root dot left and root dot right. At the end we return the root. So let us take the example that they have given us over here, the same example we are taking, and we are just running our unit test here. So our example got accepted. So as you can see, this is how the tree looks like, right. 3 6 3 5 6 3 5, then there is nothing on the left, so it is hash, then 2 on the right, so 2, then 0, and then again there is nothing on the 5's left, 5's right, so it is a hash here, means null, and again for the 2 it is null here and 1, right. So it is null here and 1, right. So our solution got accepted. So let us submit our solution now. So we got 80% faster performance, so which is pretty good. So this is the way we can solve maximum binary tree. If you haven't already seen my LeetCode solutions playlist, please check it out. It has over 80 solved problems explained in details with examples and Java code. Also, I have other playlists called as Java interviews, where I discuss frequently asked Java interview questions that were asked by big tech companies in past, either on phone interviews as well as on onboarding whiteboarding interviews actually online. So please check it out. If you are a Java developer, you will definitely get a lot of good videos if you are preparing for coding and phone interviews. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like it. Your subscription is really valuable, so it can reach to other people like you who are preparing for Java J2 interviews, and they can also get help from these videos. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching the video.